Hi guys, for today tuturo ko kung papaano ko ginawa itong Instagram cover or thumbnail ko. So para maging aesthetic ang ating Instagram cover at mabasa nila yung details about the video or reel na meron. Kayo. So yes, first go to Canva and choose the Instagram post portrait. And ready na dapat ang ating photos. If hindi pa ready, okay, just go ahead to pixels.com and search kung ano yung gusto nyo. Yan, laptop aesthetic. Madami na dyang photos for personal and commercial use. Since kapag Pinterest kasi baka ano na, walang rights, 'di ba? Wala tayong rights para gamitin yung photos nila. Mademanda pa tayo. And after that, okay, the details. Okay. For example, digital marketing. Oops. Konting adjust lang sa font para mas maging visible. So, yan ang ginagawa ko. Nililift ko siya. And another for wait lang. Kulang pa pala. Another one. Text. Vicky. Nice. So, ang ginagawa ko po dyan, Amsterdam ang aking pinipili. Amsterdam 4. You can choose naman madaming font options para mas maging aesthetic lang siya. Yan, lalakayan ko kasi na-emphasize ko for beginners. By the way, take note, huwag lalampas dito ang text kasi hindi na siya magiging visible. Okay, tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa po. Go to elements and search the black background. You can search. Ako kasi nasa recents ko na kaya search. Simple as that. Okay, go to transparency. Kaya medyo may pagka-dark aesthetic. If yan, depende sa picture. Okay, pag dark ng picture, you don't need na sobrang dark. You need to decrease yung darkness ng black. Para may shades na or shadows. Ganyan. Shade and black. And here you go. Okay? Upload. And you're done. So for example, nakapili na po ako ng ipopost ko na reel. Go to add camera roll. And yun na. Meron na tayong Instagram cover. And you can adjust this one. So yung kanina, bawal pong lumampas dun sa box na sinabi ko kasi hindi na po siya magiging visible at makakrop na po siya. Don't forget to follow and click the link in my bio to get your free copy of 300 plus profitable digital product ideas.